Back with a new video. Actually, I created a video about an year ago to adding vectors to your Google Slides, and I am getting few complaints from last couple of weeks, and the last one is from the Beer Warrior, and here is what he said that I think something definitely changed at Google Slides backend. I used to same method back in the day to use vectors in Google Slides, but I have been unable to do it now. I have tried SVG, EMF, and WMF formats, converting them through Cloud Convert as well, but it doesn't show an option to open it with Google Drawings. Neither do they show up when I try to upload via Google Drawings. Only the old ones are appearing. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again and let's see what happened. So this is my Adobe Illustrator, and this is a logo I created a couple of days ago. So first of all, this is a group. I'm sorry, and the text is already converted to the paths. So I'm gonna group it, and from the file menu I will go to export and export as I will pick Windows meta file, and I'm naming this file as a test and saving it on my desktop. So it's on my desktop right now. I'm switching to Google, and it's my Google Drive. What I'm going to do, I will put this file here and it's uploaded. Now I will open it with Google Drawings. Let's see if it works or not. Easy, bro. It's easy, and I have it here on the Google Drive. So I'm gonna just copy it and I will paste it here on my slide deck, and I can show you if I can change the colors. Yes, I'm able to do this. So it's still happening. I'm not sure if you are missing any step and something else, because one thing I was thinking earlier, that if your file color profile is not matching, so this is the CMYK file I just created for you, and I already did this one with a file with the RGB color profile. So I guess you need to do it again if you are missing any step, and see this, it's really easy for me, and I hope it will be easier to you as well. See, it's happening again. So thank you for watching this. I just created this video for troubleshooting purpose. I hope you like it, and if you have still any question, let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.